Official photos of the Supreme X Nike SB Air Max CB94 Low Pack have surfaced, confirming one of the most surprising crossovers for spring 2026. Charles Barkley's trademark sneaker game gets a new makeover thanks to Supreme and Nike's most recent partnership, which reimagines the sneaker silhouette. This collaboration, which aims to serve the skateboarding community, combines streetwear aesthetics with the history of traditional performance sneakers. With the pack set to launch on March 5th and March 7th in Asia via Supreme's weekly drop model, the distribution is taking place earlier than anticipated. In keeping with the brand's customary launch structure, the collection will only be accessible through Supreme's online store and physical stores. This pair of sneakers, which comes in black, white gum, and metallic gold hues, retains the lugged Air Max CB94 Low design with ominous teeth encircling the midsole and its iconic Nike Air. On the tongues, heel tabs, insoles, and outsoles, however, Supreme branding modifies the identity. In order to further emphasize the skateboarding vibe, Nike SB marks the back heels. Instead of feeling experimental, this Supreme X Nike SB partnership feels purposeful. Power and durability, which are qualities that readily translate into skate footwear design, were hallmarks of the CB94. Compared to other fashion-driven remakes, this crossover lends the Air Max CB94 Low Pack more legitimacy. In a way that few models can, it connects skate function with performance history. All three pairings' execution is improved by the details. Included are an additional set of laces for styling flexibility and a Nike SB Supreme hang tag. The white gum variant is classic style. The black feels incredibly sneaky. Additionally, the metallic gold provides distinctive flair without becoming overly ostentatious.